Let's take a look at how to use the PosterMyWall AI Writer tool. For social media captions, simply type in a few details about your post and let the AI draft multiple engaging options for you to choose from. If you're creating event pages, AI Writer also crafts perfect descriptions for your event. Click Rewrite with AI to generate a catchy summary that draws people in. And when you're sending emails, AI generates email subject lines in seconds. Just enter your campaign's theme and choose from a list of catchy, click-worthy titles.